Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter number 13, surface area and volume. That is surface area. There are two type of surface area. One is a lateral surface area, it means curved surface area, and then one of the total surface area, that is a open or both side open, that will be lateral surface area. Suppose that is a cylinder. This is the cylinder. Suppose this is the closed both side. Then we will find the TSA, total surface area. If that is a open both side, then we will find the CSA, that is a curved surface area, or we can write that lateral surface area also. So in the first exercise you will be see there, and then volume is that is a capacity of any, that is given the things, cylinder, cone, etc. thing. Then 13.1, that is first question, a plastic box 1.5 meter long, that is a L is equal to 1.5 meter, and then breadth is equal to, that is a 1.25 meter, and then height is equal to, that will be 65 centimeter. 65 centimeter is equal to that will be decimal 65 meter. It means because unit are not given in that same, so that will be this one. It is open at the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine first area of sheet, that is area of sheet is equal to, that will be open one side and one side is closed, so that closed means CSA, that is a 2 pi RH plus, just wait, this is the cube, not a cylinder, this is the cube, that will be 2L plus B into H, this is the open, and then plus one side is closed, that means base area L into B, so that 2 bracket 1.5 plus 1.25 into decimal 65 plus L into B, that is a 1.5 into 1.25, that will be, not write a meter here, and then after that calculation will be 2 into, that is 2.75 into decimal 65 plus, that will be 1.5 into 1.25. The calculation of these things, that will be 5.45 meter square, and then second part, that will be the cost of sheet. So cost of sheet is equal to, that given the rate per meter is 20 into that 5.45, so that will be 109 rupees. Second question, similarly you will be do, no problem will be come here, similarly you will be do. Third question, that perimeter is given there, 250 meter, and then another thing is given, rate is equal to, that given rate is equal to rupees 10 per meter square, and then cost is equal to also given, that is cost is equal to, that is given rupees 15,000. So we need to find the height of hall. Hall means that will be lateral surface area, area of four walls. Then lateral surface area is equal to, that means you know that 2 bracket L plus B into H, and then lateral surface area we can find that also cost upon rate, cost upon rate, that will be 2L plus B, that is a perimeter, so that will be 250 into H, 0 cancel by 0, so that 150 upon 250, that is equal to H, 0 cancel by 0, 25 6 ja, so that H is equal to 6, that is in meter. Fourth question, that is the paint of a certain container sufficient to paint of that area equal to 9.375. How many bricks dimension 2.5, 22.5, 10, 7.5 centimeter painted out of this container? So that length of brick, that is length of bricks is equal to 22.5 centimeter. Breadth of brick is equal to, that is 10 centimeter. Height of brick is equal to, that is 7.5 centimeter. So brick has a whole faces, so we will find here first TSA of brick. TSA of brick is equal to, that will be 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL, so that 2 bracket 22 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5, and then and then that calculation will be do here, that 22, that plus 75 plus this will be multiply 2, 2, 5, 7, 5, 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 to 10 to 12, carry 1, 5 1 ja 5 to 10 1, 11, 7 5 ja 35, carry 3, 7 ja 21, 24, carry 2, 7 to 40, 15, 16, that is 5 to 7, then 5 7 1, that will be 175.75, and then that will be 2 into decimal 75, 5 5 10, 0 carry 1, 7 7 14, 7 7 14, 15 16 17, carry 1, 2 3 4, and then multiply 5 to 10, 7 to 14, 1 15, and then 7 to 14, 7 4 to 8 1 9, that will be 9375, that will become, something is left looking here wrong, that 9375 must become, that will be, just see again, 2 5 ja 10, 0, 7 to 14 1 15, 7 to 14 1 15, that 15 has come similarly, and then see there 10 to 20, 75, that multiply, that will be, can be wrong, again see that 5 7.5, 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 to 10 to 12, carry 1, 5 to 10 1 11, 7 5 ja 35, carry 3, 7 2 ja 14, 15 16 17, 7 carry 1, 7 to 14 1 15, 5 7 8, 5 7 8, and then 5161, that will be 61, that will become 168.75, 168.75, that will be. And then that 2 into that 75 will become 7. Similarly 8, 5, 13, 8, 5, 13, carry 1, 6, 1, 7, 7, 14, 15, 16, and then carry 1, that will be 4. So 7 to the 14, 1, 15, decimal 3 to the 6, 1, that will be 7, 6 to the 12, 1, 13, 4 to the 8, 1, 9. Okay, that will become. Now number of bricks, number of bricks is equal to, that will be that paint is given 9.375 into, that will be y, that will become into, you will be see there, this is given in meter, so that will be 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So that after decimal, here is a 3 digit, so here will be also 3 digit, decimal cancel by decimal, this 2 zeros cancel by 2 zeros, so that is 100 bricks, 100 bricks, that is the answer. And then fifth question you will be see that fifth question, that is a conical box as means A, that is 10 centimeter, and then length is equal to, that is length is equal to 12.5 centimeter, breadth is equal to, that is 10 centimeter, and then height is equal to 8 centimeter. It means you know that two boxes are given here, cubical or cuboidal box. So first part is there, which box greater lateral surface area? Lateral surface area of cube is equal to, that is 4a square, that is 4 into, that is 10 into 10, that is a 400 centimeter square. And lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to, that is 2 bracket L plus B into H. So that 2 into L plus B, that is a 12.5 plus 10 into H is 8. So that 2 into, that will be 12, 22.5 into 8. So multiply of that will be 2 5 ja 10, that will be 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 1 5, 2 2 ja 4 into 8, that will be 8 5 ja 40, and then carry 4, 8 ja 16, 4, that is a 8 5 ja 40, 0, and then carry is 4, 8 4 32, 36 centimeter square. And then saying here, which box lateral surface area, which box has a greater lateral surface area? So cubical box is equal to how many, that 400 minus 360 is equal to, that is 40 centimeter square. And then second part is saying that now we are doing here that which box is smaller total surface area. So TSA of that will be cube is equal to, that is 6a square. So that will be 6 into 10 into 10 is equal to 600 centimeter square. And then TSA of cuboid, that is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL, that 2 bracket L is 12.5 into B is 10 plus that B is 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5, and then 2 that 125 plus 80 plus that will be 8 5 ja 40, 8 to 16, 16 4 20, 8 1 ja 2, 10, 100. Now that you will be see, add of these 2 into that will be 5, 8 to 10, 0, and then 1 2 3, that is a 610 centimeter square. And then which box is smaller? Smaller box is cube box is smaller. Cubical box is smaller. Cubical box is equal to how many? That 610 minus 600 is equal to that is 10 centimeter square. These two are the answer. And then question number 6, that is length, breadth, height is given there. Length is equal to that is 30 centimeter. Breadth is equal to that is 25 centimeter. Height is equal to that is 25 centimeter. What the glass? It means a small indoor glass greenhouse, that is a herbarium, is made entirely a glass pan including base. Including base means TSA. So that we will find the TSA is equal to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So that will be 2 25 3 ja 75 plus 25 5 ja 625 plus 25 3 ja 7, and then add the both, that will be 2 into 5, 5 5 10 to 12, carry 1 7 3 21, then the multiply of both, that will be 5 2 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4 1 5, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 4, and then that will be a centimeter square. So this is the first part. Then second part is that how much tape is needed for all the 12 edges. So we know that in a cube or cuboid there are the 4 length, 4 breadth, 4 height. So needed tape is equal to that will be 4 into that is L plus B plus H. So that 4 bracket L is 30 plus 25 plus 25, that will be 4 into 50 80. So that is a 8 4 ja 32, 320 centimeter, 320 centimeter. And the 7th question, that is a just lengthy question, that you will be see. 7th question, Santi sweet stall was planning an order of making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. You have seen that sweet, 2 size of boxes. You have seen that type of boxes for half kg, for 1 kg, for 2 kg also. The bigger box dimension is 25, 20 and 5. So that L is equal to 25, B is equal to that is 20 and H is equal to that is 5, all in given centimeter. And then the smaller box dimension is that is L is equal to 15, B is equal to 12 and then C is equal to H is equal to that is 5 centimeter. For all the overlap 5 centimeter, overlapping means that box is extra. Total surface area is required if the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter. Find the cost of cardboard required in that one, 250 boxes. So cardboard is equal to that TSA of 250 both boxes is equal to, that will be, here we will apply the double formula. Double formula means how that will be, 250 that will be multiply by 2, that LB plus BH plus HL, that will be plus LB plus BH plus HL. 2 has come for both this one and 2 has come for this one both also. So that will be 500, and then LB is 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 5 into 25. Now plus 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 5 into 15. 5 into 15. Here we will do 500, and then 25 2 ja 50, 500 plus 25 ja 100, 525 ja 125, and then 15 12 ja 15 2 ja 30, 15 1 ja 15 3 180 plus 12 5 ja 60 plus 15 5 ja 75. Now that 500, now that add the all, that will be 5 5 10 0 carry 1 7 1 8 8 6 14 14 8 22 23 24 24 carry 2 2 5 7 8 9 10, that will be, and then multiply 5 4 ja 20 and 5 1 ja 5, 1 2 3 1 2 3 0, that will be centimeter square. And then overlapping, 5% overlapping also is there. Overlapping is equal to, that is a 5 into 52000 upon 100, that is a 1 2 3 1 2 3, one more 0 is there, 1 2 1 2 0 has cancelled, so that is 0 0 5 2 are 10 5 2 are 25 26 centimeter square. So total cardboard is equal to, that will be, add the both this 52000 plus 2600, only 2 zeros are there, no, 5 2 are 10 5 5 20, yes, and then 3 0 will become same, and then 6 4 5 centimeter. This is the total cardboard. Now the cost will be there. Cost is equal to, that is written rupees 4 into 5 4 6 000 upon, that is 1000, upon that is 1000, and then 1 2 1 2 3, that is 1000 is given there, 3 is cancelled. Now that 5 6 4 are 24, 4 5 16 17 18, and then 5 4 are 20 21 rupees, that is a cost of that cardboard. And then 8th question, that is a very easy, that is length is given there, height is 2.5, height is equal to 2.5, and then length is equal to, that is 4, and then breadth is equal to 3 meter. All the given units in meter. So that we need to make the temporary shelter for car. So base will be not there and everything will be there. So that will be we need to find that making shelter. So tarpaulin is equal to tarpaulin is equal to, that will be 2 bracket L plus B into H plus L into B. So that 2 bracket 4 plus 3 into 2.5 plus 5 into 4. So that 20, that will be 5 into 4 7 plus 4 5 ja 20. That will be 7 5 ja 35 plus 20. That will be something is 2.5 2 ja. No, sorry, that will be not 5. This is a 4 3. 4 into 3. 4 3 ja 12 will be there. 12. So that 47 meter square answer. Okay.